friends, my name is Rodiyah, and today we are going to learn how to create an animation in Scratch. So first, we're going to open Scratch. So I've gotten this character from my backpack. It's just where you keep things. So first, I'm going to add one flag clicked. Forever. Next, costume. But if we play it, nothing will happen. That's because we don't even really have one costume. So if we duplicate it, nothing will happen because costume is just the same. So now we're going to create a blinking animation. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. Next, you see that this is happening. And in costume 3, I'm going to make it even smaller. So make sure to set the first costume's name to 1, second one to 2, third one to 3. And after that, when you make the next costume, it's going to say 4. So I'm going to make 5 of them. So now we see that this is happening. It's actually changing. And now in 6, I want my eyes to be closed. So I'm going to remove these pupils. Oh yeah. So this is just the way I make the eyes to be closed. And now I'm going to add one extra, which I'm not going to change anything. It's just going to be the eyes closed. But if you want, you can do this. Now, but there's a problem. As you can see, it is doing this. So instead, we want the animation to play backwards again. Then we'll go back to costume 1. First, we're going to add fit costume to 1. And now we're going to use this my variable. This time we're going to name it frame. Now we're going to add a set frame to how many frames there are, which is 7. So we're going to add a repeat 6. Repeat 6, not repeat 10. Yes, I know we have 7 costumes, but the reason why it's repeat 6 is because we're starting from this costume. And after that, we'll duplicate it. But we're going to add a set costume to 7. Now we're going to set it to frame, and then we're going to add a change frame by -1. After this, repeat 6. But now we'll see another problem, that the frame it is going too much backwards. So we're going to add the set frame to 7. But now we can see that it is blinking too fast. So we're going to add a wait 1 second. But now you might think that I'm crazy because the wait 1 second just made it way too laggy. But we're going to set it to 0.1. Now we'll duplicate it and add it here. Oh yeah, not 0.1, 0.01. And also, since this is a blinking animation, there's one more thing I can add. But if your animation isn't a blinking animation, then you can't add this. But I'm going to add a weight pick random 1 to 10. I'm going to change this 10 to 5. We'll add it after the set frame to 7. And next, after that, we can see that we will have to wait before our character blinks again. Now I'm just going to add a simple backdrop. So you can either draw your backdrop. I can draw mine like this. I'm just going to use green. I'm just going to add a green square over here. Next, you can edit its points. If you want, you can also make it a gradient. I'm going to set it to its the gradient to its original color. But after that, I'm going to make this one a little bit lighter. There. But if you made a mistake, you can swap it like this. So, can also do this. There. Okay, I'm just going to make this a little bit lighter. So after that, we can add a big. Now after that, we can add a big sky. Can make it another gradient, but this time the gradient is going to be blue and another blue. Now we'll take it to the back. I think this other blue is too different from this blue. So now I have this. Now I have this gradient. So now, while you're making the sky, you can also add some circles. Oops, the circles aren't meant to be gradients, but I'm just going to leave them like that. And now we're going to copy and paste them. I'm going to change that field later. Keep on doing that until we get a full line of circles. After that, I'm going to copy it and paste it. And then this time, I'll set the field to this color. Yes, not actually white. I'm going to eyedrop it. This is the reason why I did actually change the field. So after that, we'll copy this one and paste this one, and we'll make the color to be more and more like the sky. now I'm going to select all of these other circles. And then I'm going to set their field to only white. Like it's supposed to be only white. So now we have almost finished. We just have to set this to the front. So now after that you have probably noticed something. So that's it. You notice there's a. So if you haven't noticed anything, that's not my problem. So I'm going to change this to a gradient. I'm only going to change the ones that are actually seeable, because I'm too lazy to change the ones that aren't seeable. Now it's time for the oops. Now it's time for the last ones, the ones up. All of the ones up are seeable. I'm going to save my project. And now we have this blinking animation with a cool background. So that is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. So let me just add this down and drag it in. Okay, this is the actual end. Bye. So friends, before I go, I want to show you something. So this is our main channel, ObaKids Link TV. It is where you can find how to do math, English lessons, and most of them they're Arabic lessons. And here in playlist you can see everything. You can find multiplication tables, Quran reading, English, science and technology, Arabic alphabet, Arabic speaking, kids cartoons and moral stories, and Arabic words with meaning and pictures. Also another one. Here is ObaTech. ObaTech is another coding channel like me. ObaTech is also part of this channel. These channels all come from ObaKids Link TV, including my own. ObaTech just post on various programming languages. And next there's ObaCode. So ObaCode, it is also for learning various languages. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell, and also subscribe to all of my other channels. Bye.